How to fix Outlook Classic not opening. So here I am in my Outlook Classic version, and then for some people, they have experiencing a bug where they are trying to open the Outlook Classic version, but it's not opening. So from here, I will going to teach you and how to fix that problem. So from here, what you can do is that we can use the repair feature of Microsoft. So to go ahead and access that, we just need to go to the control panel. So just go to search, type in the control panel, and then just click the control panel in the search results right here. So click on control panel. Oops, sorry. It went ahead and disappeared. So let me go back. Type in control panel right here, and then we should now open the control panel. So from here, what we need to do is that we need to go here to programs and features. If you have the other view, like for example, I can go to category, just go to programs and then click programs and features. So either way, you will be redirected to this page right here. It says uninstall or change a program. So from here, you can just search for Microsoft 365 because the classic version of Outlook is included right here in the Microsoft 365 apps for business. So from here, just select Microsoft 365 apps for business and then click change. From here, this window will appear. So just allow this app to make changes on your device. Click yes. From here, it says right here, save your work before continuing. We need to close the following apps. So we just need to close Outlook right here. Click continue. And then it's currently busy doing another task. So let me just close this again and try again. So click change right here. Click yes. Now it should open this window right here. So it says, how would you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office programs? So from here, you have two options. You have the quick repair and then you have the online repair. So I prefer using the quick repair first since this will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. So after if you have used quick repair and Outlook is still not fixed and it is not opening, now you can go ahead and try to use the online repair. So from here, it says that it fixes all issues, but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. So you can select this option if you are still having problems after a quick repair. So keep in mind, both of these options right here will take a while to finish. So just go ahead and click repair. And then after that, it will load and try to fix the problem for a while. So it may take a few minutes before it finishes. After that, just go ahead and open the classic version of Outlook, and then your problem should now be fixed. And in my case, my Outlook doesn't have any problem, so that's why I can open it successfully. And then that is basically it. That is how you can fix the Outlook Classic not opening. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.